In this video, I'll show you how to build websites and landing pages with Notion, the easiest way to publish them, and the key settings that make them look more professional. The first thing to know is that Notion has a built-in website publishing system called Notion Sites. Notion's Help Center says any page you build in Notion can be published as a website, including blogs, resumes, portfolios, job listings, and landing pages. Their publishing guide also says you can publish a page from Share Arrow Publish and your edits update live for visitors. So the basic workflow is simple. Create a page in Notion, design the layout, then publish it to the web. For a landing page, a smart structure is a clear headline at the top, a short description of what you offer, a call to action, social proof or benefits, and a contact section or sign-up area. That page structure is a best practice recommendation, while the actual publishing step is supported directly by Notion Sites. To make the page look better, use Notion's built-in styling tools. Notion says you can customize pages with fonts, colors, page width, callouts, icons, cover art, and other layout options. That means even without coding, you can make a landing page feel branded and polished just by combining headings, dividers, columns, callouts, images, and buttons or linked text. Once your page is ready, open Share, go to Publish, and publish it as a site. After that, you can improve the design further in site customization. Notion's Site Customization Guide says you can choose a theme, customize the favicon, adjust the site header, and connect Google Analytics. It also supports theme options like System, Light, and Dark. If you want the site to feel more professional, connect a custom domain. Notion's Custom Domain Help page says you can point your own domain to a Notion site by adding the required DNS records, including CNAME and TXT records, through your domain provider. Notion also says you can manage Notion-hosted domains from Settings Arrow Public Pages, where free plans can claim one Notion.site domain and paid plans can claim up to 5. Another useful tip is to start from a template instead of building everything from scratch. Notion's template guides and website building template pages show that there are ready-made templates for personal websites, resumes, portfolios, help centers, and landing pages. That can save a lot of time if you want a faster launch. For landing pages specifically, the best approach is to keep the page focused. Use one clear goal, like getting an email sign-up, booking a call, or sending people to a product link. Notion officially supports the publishing, design, and customization features, and from there, the conversion-focused layout is your strategy choice rather than a Notion requirement. So to build websites and landing pages with Notion, create a page, style it with Notion's layout tools, publish it with Notion Sites, customize the theme and header, and connect a custom domain if you want a more polished result. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.